Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I want to show you three powerful indicators that will make you money in Forex. Either you are trading Forex or crypto, this is going to make you a lot of money. Three best indicators that you should focus your attention on. And if you should use them the way I'm going to show you right now, on when it comes to how to use them, if you use them the right way, I'm going to show you, I bet you are going to make money consistently. One of those indicators is what I use. So I won't waste much of your time. Let me take you to my computer screen. However, before then, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, if this is your first time of subscribing to this, of coming to this channel, coming across this channel rather, please kindly subscribe. And if you don't feel like subscribing, please try as much as possible to like as a form of appreciation to the effort put into making this video. So let's go to my computer screen now.
So, all right, guys. All right. So let me just start with the whole thing. So first of all, let me talk about the RS, the momentum indicators. These three indicators are called momentum indicators, and they are leading indicators, which means they don't lag. Okay. So momentum indicators basically measure the strength of buyers or sellers in a particular zone. Probably, it could be a resistant or a support, a resistant or a support zones. They measure the strength of buyers or seller there. They let you, they outweigh, like the way the which of these set of people are dominating that particular zone. Is it the buyers? Is it the seller? That is what they usually do if you use them the right way, the right way. Basically, how I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so if you can determine who is dominating at a particular resistance zone or support zone, then you can easily know where to take your trade and where you should be looking at. And that's exactly what we'll be looking at in this video. So let's get right into it. The first indicator which I will be talking about, which is my favorite, is the RSI indicator. Okay, the RSI indicator, and I'm going to show you how the indicator looks. This is not how the indicator looks. This is the indicator, but this is not how RSI looks if if it is your first time of installing it. So I'm going to remove it and then show you how I get to arrive at this particular design or setting. Okay. And while I'm doing that, I also want to tell you that if you are interested in taking my mentorship class, um, you may want to check my bio. You will see my link there, my Telegram and my IG. Instagram handle is there, so you can just send me a DM. And I can tell you, the best way is to learn how to fish, not people giving you fish. And you can only learn how to fish if you submit yourself to learning. So if you submit yourself to learning, things are going to you are going to get this whole thing right. So it will be advisable. It will be ideal for you to take a course. Okay, even if you don't want to take my own course, just look for a course that is decent, a good trader that you can actually follow his or her trading steps or trading style. Okay, and you can just, if it works, for if their strategy is working, then definitely you start making money and stop relying on watching videos all the time. All right, so you can hit me up if you want to take my mentorship. I will be available to take you. All right, so let me just show you the indicator. So just come to indicator here. Okay, and then just type RSI. It is called relative strength index. Sorry. uh, okay, RSI, relative strength index. This is, just click on it once, and when you click on it, it will appear on your charts. Okay, this is the RSI. So when you get the RSI, just edit it this way. Come to setting, and when you come to setting, I will remove this yellow moving average. Okay, that's the first thing I will remove, and then I will remove the so-called what's it called, the upper band and lower band, overbought gradient fill and oversold gradient. That is the color here, all this color here. Okay, I will remove it. Okay, I will remove the oversold on two. All right, then I will come down and okay, I think that's that. I always like my color, my RSI color, to be dark green. Actually, I love dark green. Okay, and then one other thing, I love to remove the background color. So let me remove that. Okay, background fill, so I will remove it so that it can be white and clean. So, and that's it. That is how you set the RSI. So how do you now take a trade on how do you now use the RSI? When you want to use the RSI, you want to combine it, not even only the RSI, including other ones too. If you want to use this RSI indicator, this setting, what you want to do is you want to combine it with price action pattern, because I always combine it with price action. If you look at this now, if you look at the price here, price is making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, from here it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then it comes here to make same high. So so come here to make same high. So when it makes that high, okay, you want to, when it makes that same high, that is when you want to look for you want to look for sorry about that, sorry that I'm skipping, a call is disturbing me here. Anyway, so you want to look for double when it makes that same high, you want to look for candlestick confirmation that gives you entry, okay, because that is actually a double top right there, but you want to wait for candlestick confirmation before you do that. Okay, so okay, so before you do that, to confirm your double top. So when you confirm your double top, then you now use your RSI to check where the momentum is going. So this is the high here. In a situation whereby it makes similar high, okay, okay, your RSI makes the same high, which means that these buyers that are pushing this market here are struggling to break this above here. So, and your RSI too is also giving you that signal that the momentum is to the downside. You can see it's slanted to the downside. That is a divergence. Okay, so this RSI already show you where the momentum is. So as soon as you see this kind of, let me say, because at the first top, at the second top here, I didn't see anything that could give me entry here, no candlestick pattern. But if you look at the second the third top here, this third one, you will see your shooting star. So your shooting star candle. So that is when that is what I will use as my entry. And as you can see, this is on 4 hour, and you can see what you've gathered. There's a lot of points here. So the market might still retrace to this point before finally started going up. So that is how to use your RSI. Okay. So let's look at the other ones. So the second one that I want to talk about is called CCI. So let me remove this one. I don't want to have them too much on my chart. So you come here, you type CCI, where is it? Yeah, CCI. It is called Commodity Channel Index. Commodity Channel Index. That is what it is called. Just click on it, and then you have it on your chart. Okay, you have it on your chart. You might decide to remove the background color, and you might decide to leave it like that. Okay, it doesn't matter, it's still the same thing. So what you just have to do in this case is also look for divergence, just like you look for it in the other in the RSI. So you can see the two tops here, you can see your divergence working properly here, you can see it going down here. Even if you decide to use these two top here, let's assume you don't want to consider this. Okay, the market has moved up, come down, from double top here. You also see that your divergence going down there. See the same thing. You can see the momentum. The candle is giving you that sell opportunity. So as soon as you see this red candle, that is when you want to take a sell. So just like I am showing you all this for selling opportunity, so also it is for buying opportunity. You want to look for double bottom also. Okay. Okay, that is about CCI. So that is the second one that you want to consider using. So the third one, let me remove this one, is called Stokes. Stokes. Let's come to in full. It's called Stochastics. So let me just Stochastic. This very one, Stochastic. Not the second one that has RSI, but this one that has just only this one. So you want to click on it, and then so this Stochastic. One thing is this: there are two things you can do. You can either use one of these moving average. You can remove the moving average, the yellow one, and you can decide to leave it. It doesn't matter. So so in this case, you want to look for divergence, just like you've done in the last part. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to look for that divergence. As you can see, that is it for these two top here, these two ones here. And for this one, you may have to go like this. Okay, you can see the line is still slanted to the downside. It's still slanted to the downside. Okay, it's still sliding to the downside. If you find this one too complicated, just use one of the two that I explained earlier, the CCI or the RSI. I use RSI, and funny enough, if I will use any other one, it's going to be that CCI. So because of the nature of this one. So, but at the same time, it works just like the other ones. So this is what I want to show you. These are the three best indicators you should consider using your trade. Apart from this indicator, I do not encourage any other ones, but if there is any other one you see that works fine for you, fine. But these are the best indicator that I believe you should use. If you combine this with price action, I can tell you to always get decent trade. Okay, so anyways, that is how it works. That is how I use it. I combine it with price action pattern before I take my trade. So that is all I have for you today. So you can try and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.